With spring just around the corner, it's the perfect time to give our homes a fresh start. I'm going to share with you my favourite tools and cleaning products that will make spring cleaning feel like a breeze. The Amazon product links will be left in the description page below. Now first up, let's talk about the flat microfiber mop. If you've been using a traditional mop, it's time to make that switch. The material on a flat microfiber mop is super absorbent. They are great at picking up dirt and dust. The flat design makes it a great clean under furniture. This microfiber spray mop comes with 4 microfiber pads. Next up, we have multi-surface cleaners. My favourite is Sif. Not only does it remove dirt, stains and grime from surfaces such as kitchen counters, stovetops, sinks, it can be used in the bathroom and other areas around the home. Another product on my list for recommendation is Method, an all-purpose cleaner which is antibacterial. As well as protecting your home, it has a really nice scent which is peach blossom. Now this product's not designed for cleaning dirty surfaces as it's a disinfectant. Therefore, used in addition to a multi-surface cleaner. Now, microfiber cloths are a game changer when it comes to wiping down surfaces. They trap in more dirt and bacteria than the traditional cloths and are reusable. Now, I'm a big fan of the e-cloths. These ones can last up to 100 washes, making them very eco-friendly. Now this starter pack contains 5 cloths, 1 for glass mirrors and TV, general purpose cloth for dusting and cleaning, 1 for the kitchen, the bathroom and windows. And in case you forget which is which, they are all clearly labelled. Next we have the fluffy duster. Now what makes these unique is their ability at picking up the dust you can see and allergens you can't. They're also excellent at getting into small tight areas, leaving your home dust free and shiny. Now, if you are regular to my channel, you know how much I love using soda crystals, baking soda and vinegar, as these are powerhouse cleaners. Mix them with water and you've got a DIY solution that works wonders for the kitchen and bathroom. They're also great sink and drain deodorizers. Place some of my videos in the description page below on how to use these DIY cleaners. Next, we have floor cleaning products. Flash Purpose Lemon works for all types of floor, and there's also Flash Wood with orange peel for real wood and laminate flooring. Next up is Sonic Scrubber, a great cleaning tool for tough jobs which need a lot more elbow grease. I have found many uses for mine, which comes with 4 changeable heads in various sizes. There will be links for all of these products in the description page. Now, if you're a household that always finds sticky residue on hard surfaces and metals, and you have a bottle of rubbing alcohol, then problem solved, as rubbing alcohol has many uses and it's not just for cuts and bruises. Not only is it great for removing sticky residue, it's also a great stain remover for marker pens on clothes and fabrics, and can be used to clean and disinfect your mobile phones and electronics. Another great gem if you have in the household is hydrogen peroxide, which is also great at removing stains like sweat from clothing, mattress stains and dried in wine stains from carpets. Next up is a must-have for your bathroom, as this flat-headed toilet brush and holder is a game changer. Its flexible flat head makes light work of cleaning under the rim of your toilet bowl, and because it's made of silicone, it's more hygienic than a bristle brush and does not retain water. I also love it for its compact design, which make it ideal for small bathrooms. You can find more information on these products and links in the description page below.